Hello everyone, we have this problem to solve together. This is SAT math. If a plus b equals 5, ab is 6, then a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 will give us what? Now, solution. Now, I want you to know that anytime you are given something like this, you see this is having power 4, this is having power 4. So we are going to get this. We are going to get this from where? From this identity. You have to take note of that. When you have a squared plus b squared, okay, all to the power of 2, that will give us a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4, then plus minus plus 2ab all squared. So this is what you are going to have, plus 2ab all squared. Now, and you can see that I want you to keep this one. You see that another thing is that before we even get this again, we need this a squared plus b squared. So now, how do we get a squared plus b squared? So from a plus b all squared, a plus b all squared is same thing as a squared plus b squared, okay, then plus 2ab is a perfect square. Now, from here, you see that we can easily get our a squared plus b squared. This here, if you try to make this the subject formula, so we are going to have a plus b, okay, all squared, and minus 2ab. Are you getting it? If you make a squared plus b squared the subject, now we are going to use this now to get a squared plus b squared. Now, to get a squared plus b squared, so now look at what we have. A plus b is 5. We have 5 to the power of 2, okay, then minus 2 into ab is 6. We have this. So now 5 to the power of 2, that is 25. We have 2, 5, minus 2 times this, we have what? We have 12. So now 25 take away 12, we have what? We have 13. That is not where we are going to stop, because this is just a squared plus b squared. What we are looking for is what? Is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. So now, from here, let me call this star star, and this one is star. This one is star. So from star, you know that if you make a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 the subject of the formula, so what are you going to have? You're going to have a squared plus b squared all squared, all right, minus 2ab all squared. This is what you are going to have if you make a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 the subject of the formula. So now from here, what are you going to have? What is a squared plus b squared? It is 13 here. We have 13 squared minus 2 into what is ab? AB is 6. We have 6 all to the power of 2. So now we're going to have 169 minus 2 multiplied by what? 36. Then we have 169 minus 2 times 36. That is what? That is 72. Now, what are we going to do? So 169 take away 72. That will give us what? So that will give us 97. So therefore, a raised to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 will give us what? Will give us 97. That's the solution. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn from this. Bye.